Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello, beautiful foodies. You're welcome to the very first season and the very first episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. I am Chef Debbie, and on this show, I'll be sharing with you my special recipes to make your culinary experience a great one. So, if you are a food enthusiast or a working mom or just a plain foodie like me, you know that this is definitely the show for you. Week to week, back to back, we'll be giving mouth-watering, delicious, finger-licking food on this show. So, please come with me.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
In this video, I'll be sharing with you my recipe for smoky party jollof rice. Now, the word jollof is from the Senegambia region of West Africa, and nowadays, slowly and even generally now, jollof is eaten in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Senegal, and in fact all over the world. Now, if you ask me, I'll tell you that Nigerian jollof is the best. So, what makes it the best? I think it's that smoky, delicious, tangy taste that you get with Nigerian jollof that you don't get anywhere else. Now, there's a secret to getting that smoky flavor in your rice when you're cooking it at home and not for a large gathering or in a party. So today, that's exactly what I'll be showing you, how to get that smoky flavor in your rice or your party jollof rice when you cook it at home in your kitchen. Please come, let's go together. So to make your smoky, delicious jollof rice, you will need some rice, some vegetable oil, chicken stock, chicken seasoning, chopped onions, jollof spice, tomato puree, bay leaves, margarine, some salt, some blended tomato pepper mix, and you will need some spices. This is garlic powder, thyme, onion powder, ginger powder, and curry powder. Now, before we start cooking, there's something that I want to show you. It's a well-known fact that what accounts for that smoky flavor when you cook jollof rice in a large quantity is those ingredients getting burnt at the bottom of the pot. They create a smoky flavor and aroma to make the food seem as if it got burnt. So this is the secret to creating a smoky flavor for your jollof rice when you are cooking for a small number of people in the house. So you prepare your pepper mix. I have here some tatashe red bell pepper, onion, tomato, garlic, rodo, habanero pepper, red chili, or shombo. Yeah, so what we do now is you can prepare it on a tray like this and put it in your oven for like 15 to 20 minutes just to roast the peppers a little bit. Or you put it in your air fryer for like 8 to 10 minutes. Then afterwards you blend it up, and the smokiness created in the oven will make your rice taste as if it was cooked in a large quantity outside, and you will not even know the difference.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So you first need to wash your rice off, obviously. So just I've washed my rice. Rice is clean. So we drain it. I need to drain the rice. So we start cooking our rice. Yeah. Put your pot on fire and heat up the pan for a few minutes. Some oil goes into the pan. Okay, so now we introduce our onion into the pot. You wait until it saute it for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, it's the onion is translucent a bit, so we go in with our tomato paste. I'm not using too much oil because my chicken stock is oily. It's a lot of chicken fat in it, so I know I'm still going to introduce that into the rice, so I don't need too much oil right now. Fry up the tomato paste and the seasonings for some 2 to 3 minutes before we introduce our tomato pepper mix into the pot. Yeah. I think I can go ahead now with my pepper mix. So while that is going on, I think I will introduce my chicken seasonings into the mix now. I'm not going to add salt until I've introduced the chicken broth, because that one is already salted already. So some bay leaves can go in now. And our jollof spice. Allow to cook for some minutes. Then I'll add my chicken stock. So, yeah. Turn back the heat on. I'll go ahead and add some water. stir and cover to bring to a boil. Before I cover it, I need to taste so that I can adjust the seasoning. I'm going to add some salt. Stir and cover to bring it to a boil. So afterwards I'll add the rice. This smells delicious. Okay, so I just want to stir it a bit and check for the seasoning again. Perfect. So now I can go in with my rice, which has been washed and drained. You don't need any excess water in your rice, so you must wash and drain it. So I'm going to cover it now and bring it to a boil. Afterwards, I'll turn down the heat to let it simmer. But first, it must come to a boil. It's looking delicious already, so but rice needs to simmer. So I'm going to cover it now, turn down the heat, and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So now our rice should be, wow, this is beautiful, yeah, wow, I love this. I wish you could smell this. Smells delicious. So now I'm going to turn the heat off and leave it open to release some steam, and then we'll serve. Yeah, my smoky patty jollof rice is ready, and seriously I'm excited and can't wait to dig into this. Today I'm serving this with fried chicken and egg. You can serve with any kind of protein that you have: grilled chicken, grilled turkey, smoked anything, even beef. Anything goes with this because it's great by itself already. So today, like I said, I'm serving with a side of with chicken and egg. Yeah, don't you wish you're here to join me? Garnish with some parsley just for, you know, effects. Just like that, and we're done. My taster is ready. She's a very dear friend, and she's around to come and, you know, give us a verdict of this dish. Hi, welcome back, and right now my guest is here. She's Trina. Trina, say hi.
Hi.
And she's here to give a review of this smoky patty jollof rice. So, are you ready to dig in?
Sure.
Okay, shall we? Do you love jollof rice?
Oh my God. I don't think I've ever tasted a food so delicious like this.
Wow,
This one
thank
is
you.
bad.
Thank you.
Please, I will have some if I'm going.
Okay, I'll make sure of that.
Is this proper food?
No, it's egg. Egg and chicken.
See how this stew is coming out from me.
Juicy, right?
You're a great chef.
Thank you.
Oh,
So don't forget to let me know what you think. I'll be in the comment section waiting to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you want to continue to see more exciting recipes on the show. And don't forget to leave the bell notification on so that you know anytime new video drops on the Debbie's Kitchen Delight show. So till next time, when we see you on the show, I say bye.
Shout out to all my